Living in a small apartment often means working with limited square footage, especially in the kitchen area. However, a minimalist kitchen setup offers the perfect solution to transform a compact cooking space into a functional, elegant, and clutter-free environment. By emphasizing simplicity, smart organization, and modern design, you can create a kitchen that feels open, efficient, and welcoming, even in the smallest of spaces. Here's a comprehensive guide to designing a minimalist kitchen setup that perfectly balances form and function for small apartment living. 1. Begin with a streamlined layout. The first step in creating a minimalist kitchen is establishing an efficient layout. In small apartments, popular options include one-wall kitchens, galley layouts, or L-shaped designs. A one-wall layout keeps everything aligned neatly, making it ideal for studio apartments or open-plan living areas. The galley layout maximizes efficiency by placing counters and appliances along two parallel walls, minimizing movement while cooking. The L-shaped design offers flexibility and can integrate easily into living or dining areas without disrupting the open feel. Whichever layout you choose, focus on the kitchen work triangle, the placement of a sink, stove, and refrigerator to maintain practicality and flow. 2. Prioritize functionality over excess. Minimalism is about intentionality, keeping only what you truly need. Before setting up your kitchen, assess your cooking habits. Do you need a full oven, or will a compact air fryer suffice? Could a single induction burner work better than a traditional stovetop? Invest in multifunctional appliances, such as combination microwave ovens or blenders that double as food processors. Not only do they save space, but they also reduce visual clutter and simplify daily routines. The key is to curate your kitchen tools and equipment carefully. Quality over quantity ensures a setup that remains efficient, not overwhelming. 3. Opt for space-saving furniture. Compact kitchens benefit greatly from furniture that adapts to your needs. Foldable or extendable tables, wall-mounted drop-leaf countertops, and bar stools that slide under the counter are all excellent options. If your kitchen doubles as a dining space, consider a multi-purpose island that serves as a prep area, dining table, and additional storage unit. This versatile piece can define the kitchen visually while enhancing its function. By integrating flexible furniture, you create a dynamic space that changes effortlessly between cooking, dining, and socializing. 4. Keep surfaces clean and clutter-free. A minimalist kitchen thrives on clear countertops. Avoid overcrowding the workspace with unnecessary decor or rarely used appliances. Keep essentials, such as a coffee maker or a small fruit bowl, visible, and store everything else behind closed doors. The cleaner the surfaces, the larger and more organized the kitchen will feel. This visual simplicity not only enhances aesthetics, but also encourages calmness and focus when preparing meals. To make this easier, establish simple habits. Clean as you cook, store items immediately after use, and regularly declutter cabinets. 5. Use smart storage solutions. Storage is the backbone of minimalist kitchen design. Every item should have its designated place to maintain a tidy, streamlined look. Consider vertical cabinetry that extends to the ceiling for maximum storage. Pull-out drawers and corner organizers to use hard-to-reach areas efficiently. Magnetic racks for knives or spices to free up countertop space. Hidden compartments within benches or under sinks for less used items. By using smart storage solutions, you can maintain an open, uncluttered kitchen without sacrificing practicality. 6. Choose a light, neutral color palette. Color plays a crucial role in shaping how spacious a kitchen feels. Opt for light tones such as white, soft beige, light gray, or pale wood finishes. These colors reflect natural light, visually expanding the room. To add depth and character, incorporate subtle contrasts, like matte black handles or brushed steel fixtures, while keeping the overall tone balanced and calming. Minimalist kitchens often rely on texture rather than bright colors for interest. Combine smooth surfaces, stone countertops, and natural wood elements to achieve harmony without overwhelming the space. 7. Incorporate modern cabinets and hidden details. Cabinets in a minimalist kitchen should feature clean lines, flat panels, and hidden handles for a seamless look. Handleless push-to-open systems or recessed pulls maintain the sleek, contemporary aesthetic. If possible, Choose built-in or integrated appliances that align perfectly with the cabinetry. Concealed refrigerators or dishwashers create a cohesive and clutter-free appearance. For extra efficiency, install under-cabinet lighting to brighten workspaces while keeping the upper surfaces visually light and open. 8. Use lighting to enhance space. Lighting is one of the most powerful tools for shaping mood and function in a minimalist kitchen. Start with natural light, allowing as much daylight as possible to flow through windows or glass doors. For artificial lighting, layer different types. Ambient lighting for general illumination. Task lighting under cabinets or above counters. Accent lighting to highlight design features or create warmth. Choose minimalist fixtures, simple pendants, recessed LEDs, or sleek track lights that blend effortlessly into the environment. 9. Add a touch of nature. Even in minimalist settings, natural elements bring warmth and life to the space. A few small potted herbs, a vase with fresh flowers, or wooden accessories can soften modern lines and make the kitchen feel more inviting. Natural materials like stone, bamboo, or oak also add organic texture, creating a sense of balance between functionality and comfort. 10. Maintain simplicity in decor. Minimalism doesn't mean lifeless design, it's about thoughtful restraint. Instead of filling every corner, let the design breathe. A single piece of wall art, a stylish clock, or a ceramic vase can make a powerful statement without overwhelming the room. Every decorative item should serve a purpose, whether aesthetic or emotional, adding meaning rather than clutter. Conclusion: functional beauty in small spaces. A minimalist kitchen setup for a small apartment isn't about compromise, it's about creativity and clarity. By focusing on function, organization, and thoughtful design, even the tiniest kitchen can feel open, elegant, and inspiring. Through smart layouts, concealed storage, and a harmonious color palette, your kitchen becomes more than just a place to cook. It becomes a reflection of simplicity and intention. In the end, a minimalist kitchen isn't defined by how much you remove, but by how well each element serves your life. It's where less truly becomes more, beautiful, functional, and perfectly suited to modern apartment living.